Hello everyone, welcome back to Mandalas by Vani YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this beautiful mandala. Let's get started. I'm using stencil for the grid marking. If you don't have one, you can use the ruler, protractor and the compass, and you can pretty much do the same thing what I'm doing it here. If you are not sure how to do it, please check out my beginner series where I explain clearly how to do the grid marking in detail. I have given the link at the top right corner. For this tutorial, I have drawn 3 random circular grid marks, and I started with 6 vertical grid marks and then split them into half again to get extra vertical grid marks. So in total I have 12 vertical grid lines. I'll be using gold, white, green and 3 gradients of purple for this tutorial. I'm using 15.5 tool and gold color for my center dot. I'm using white color. Next, I am using color number 2. I am placing the dots in between the 2 dots from the previous row. Now I am using color number 3. I am placing the dots in between the 2 dots from the previous row. Now I am using color number 3. I am placing the dots in between the 2 dots from the previous row. Next, I am using gold color. I am using white color. Now I am using green color for the brush stroke. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy dotting!